natural doesn't always mean sustainable. It depends on a lot of things, how it is grown, how it is processed, how it is dyed, how it is transported. If there is a proper traceable supply chain to the whole process, then it can be called sustainable. And to validate the supply chain, there are certain certificates, and one can always document the process to basically tell you the authentication of the fabric. Today, a fabric without a story has become a liability. In today's niche sustainable market, all of the people are asking for the process, how it is made, who made it, how it is grown, what's the process look like. All of these questions are very important for a manufacturer to answer and for a designer to understand, to sell it to their end customer. The most sustainable fabrics have existed for centuries. The fabrics which comes from plant and animal sources, wool, cotton, hemp, linen, silk are the most common example. The world's most common fabric is still evolving. Cotton dominates the global textile production. Its versatility, breathability, and easy to wear. People are still using cotton, but a lot of people are now shifting their interest from a conventional cotton to other options like organic cotton or color cotton. These are more sustainable options as they use more ethical practices and uses less resources to grow. Yes, indeed, linen is the tortoise of the textile industry. Unlike many fabric which weakens over the time, linen gets softer with every wash and it runs for a longer duration of time. It has a good strength and is used for many ages and still a very popular fabric. Luxury and sustainability doesn't have to be opposite. Wool and silk, they do come under the sustainable options, but there are other two categories of it, like ahimsa or non-ahimsa. We offer ahimsa and people are now recommending ahimsa practice, which is veganism, and it comes with all the properties of sustainability and it is also ethically made. Organic starts from the soil. Organic textiles are produced without fertilizers, without pesticides, no GMO seeds, and without any harmful chemicals. A fabric which is fully traceable, which can be authenticated by a certificate or documentation, is said to be organic. Not every fabric falls into one single category. Natural fabrics are the ones which comes from the direct source of plant or animal. Synthetic fabrics are the ones which are made out of petroleum. Semi-synthetic fabrics like viscose, modal, lyocell starts from the natural cellulose. However, they undergo synthetic process to transform, and the sustainability consideration of all the three material is different, but they can be called as semi-synthetic or man-made fibers or fabrics. Lyocell is the closest to the modern sustainable success story. Lyocell is produced in a closed-loop viscose processing where all the chemicals which are used are reused and repurposed within the facility. It combines softness, breathability and lower environmental impact, which is making it popular among the sustainable brands. Price per meter is often the least important factor. The right fabric depends on end use. For everyday wear, comfort and durability matters. For active wear, moisture management matters. For formal clothing, drape and appearance matters. For eco-conscious buyers, certification and traceability matters. Choosing the right fabric means understanding the garment end use.